Let's take a look at rhythm cue song. If you take a look at really close, there's something going on right here. Quarter rest, quarter note. Those are called rhythm cues. Rhythm cues are usually played by rhythm section players. Rhythm section players means guitar, piano, drums, bass. Those are rhythm section instruments. Whenever we see rhythm cues, we are supposed to play those rhythms with those accompaniment. So those rhythms are for left hand, and you're gonna play 1 5 1 5 and 1 using those rhythms. Rest, 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 rest. 1 2 3 4 rest. 1 2. 1 2 3 4 rest. And also you can do the left hand. I want you to play hands together.